just want to go a little bit behind the scenes and introduce Ange. She is our front desk, our training coordinator,
education coordinator.
So this is the gal that you guys get when you guys are call in. She's our email girl, sending out emails. She's amazing. Not only does she, she loves everyone. She loves, not only does she love the business, but she loves our clients, loves our students. She puts her whole heart and soul into everything. You can definitely tell that just by the second she answers the phone.
We definitely could not do it without her.
No.
It's easy because we have amazing clients. I mean, these three are amazing to work for. It's like you come to work and it's not your job. You're working with your sisters. So
Right.
pretty grateful and thankful for the family, my work wives.
Yes, and she keeps us in line, and we need her. Yeah.
And if you guys have any questions about the trainings or anything about lashes, you can send us an email. She's the one that responds.
So hit us up.